Good afternoon, children. Today we will start lesson number 5. Does it look the same? Now, first of all, we will do the introduction. Okay. Now, in this chapter, what are the important points which we are going to learn? So, we will learn first of all mirror image and its examples, then reflection and its example, symmetry line and its example, and at the last rotation and its example. Okay, so first of all we will learn about the mirror image and its example. So what is mirror image? So a reversed image as seen in a mirror, that is called mirror image. Okay, now here can you see this seal is there? Okay, now this is standing in front of the mirror, so you can see the same seal is visible in the mirror also. So that is our mirror image which is reversed there. Okay, now here this something is written in the mirror. See, a reverse image as seen in a mirror. These handwritings also shown this here copy of mirror image. How it will look in mirror when you will see these alphabets. Okay, now have you noticed also on ambulance it is written reversed? Why it is written reverse? Because when the person is driving and when he will see in his mirror, so he can read out properly ambulance and then he will allow ambulance to go first. Okay, so this is only the reason. Now we will go to the reflection and its example. So in geometry, a reflection or flip we can say means here what happened, the reflections falls which is having the flip side, means it will flip. Okay, a transformation where a shape is flipped over a line of reflection or mirror line to face the opposite direction. Now see here A, can you see here A point? Now this side on the left hand side, this is a pre-image and this is the reflection image there. Now A is visible on the left hand side, but in the mirror image, in the reflection, it will show you on the right hand side. Now all the alphabets are same, the shape is also same, everything will be same, but here you will see the flipped one, like A is on left, so A it is visible on right. Now C on is right there, so C in the reflection it will visible on the left hand side. Now B, D is same. Okay, so the reflection of points, example A, B, C, D are conventionally written by adding a small dash. Example you can say A, B, C and D. Okay, now we will go to the symmetry line and its example. Now you can take any of the object and if you fold it along the dotted line, one half will cover the other similar half completely. So the two here are mirror half. Now two triangles are here, one triangle is given, two circles are there of yellow color. Okay, and one red circle is there, that is of one red circle is there. Now if this triangle I will fold exactly half, exactly I will do. So this this yellow circle will fall on this right side circle. Okay, and this red circle will happen divided into two equal parts. Means what? Line symmetry means what? Each side of the line of symmetry mirrors the other side. Means it is same only there, but it is dividing into two exact half. Okay, that is called symmetry line. Now an object may have more than one line of symmetry. Now it is not necessary only one only we have symmetry line. We can have horizontal line, horizontal symmetry line, vertical symmetry line and so on. Here see, we can see here right now. Here I will give you this shape is there, this hexagon is there, in that so many infinite lines are there of symmetry. Now we can take this example also, shape. Now S, you cannot divide S properly, means into two equal proper parts it is not dividing. Okay, now H, you can divide it in the horizontal manner also, this is vertical and this is horizontal manner. Okay, then we are having A alphabet we can do vertically, then P not possible because it cannot be divided into two equal half. Okay, then E can be done with horizontal symmetry line. Okay, now we will go to the next one, lines of symmetry. Now see, in the square box there are 4 lines of symmetry. Okay, then in rectangle there are two lines of symmetry. In rhombus there are two lines of symmetry. And if you take the kite, it can be divided into two parts equally, so there is one line of symmetry. Then isosceles trapezoid, that is one line of symmetry. Then trapezoid, no line of symmetry, because if you will fold it into two equal, it is not properly folding, it will not come to exact half. Then parallelogram, there is no line of symmetry. Then equilateral triangle, we can have three lines of symmetry. And in the isosceles triangle, we have one line of symmetry. Okay. Now we will go to the next part, that is rotation and its examples. Now rotation. So rotation means you have to rotate the object. Okay. Now see, this triangle is rotated. A rotation turns a shape. Whenever rotation occurs, the figure must always stay the same size and the same shape. It is only turn. Okay, in a degrees it turns like 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree. You can take a turn. Okay. Now here are the some examples of rotation. Now this triangle is stand. See, two kinds of rotation here there, means in a clockwise we will do rotation. So number one triangle, it is first we will take only 90 degree angle, we will turn, and the next triangle is that is of 180 degree triangle. Okay, 180 degree turn we have taken. Now B is this square box is there. Now if you will turn this square box, it will look same only in all kind of times. Why? Because it is having all four sides are equal. Now we will have rectangle. Now this rectangle, when you will turn 90 degree, it will look in a standing manner, and then again more 90 degree you will turn, then it will look sleeping this way triangle which it was first. Okay. Now the next shape we can see here. Okay, this shape also, here this shape is given. Now this 90 degree we will take turn, so it will look in this manner. Okay, and when again 90 degree we will take, then it will show like this manner. Okay, thank you.